Hey students, welcome back to my channel Learn with Deepika. In this video, we will solve question based on playing cards, and before we start with the question, you should know the basic concept of playing cards. In my previous video, probability part 2, I have explained that concept in detail. So you can watch that video. I'll put the link in description box as well. And I must tell you that I have tried to cover almost all the type of question based on playing card, and I'm sure that after watching my video, you will be very comfortable in solving those type of questions. So let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1. From a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn will be. In this case, we have 6 subparts, and you have to use same formula in all the question, and that is probability of an event is equals to total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of all possible outcomes. Now we will solve its first part. We know in cards we have total 52 cards, out of which 26 are red and 26 are black. So probability of this event is equals to 26 upon 52, and after simplifying this you will get 1 upon 2 as your final answer. Now the second part is a face card. We have total 12 face cards. Face cards means we are talking about Jack, Queen and King. So in total we have 12 face cards. So 12 upon 52 is the answer, and after simplification we will write 3 upon 13. Now the third part is a face card of red color. As we know, total we have 12 face cards, out of which 6 are red and 6 are black. So probability of this event is 6 upon 52. And then we will do simplification. So 3 upon 26 is the answer. Now the fourth part is probability of getting a spade. Okay, we have 13 cards of spade in well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. So number of favorable cases are 13 out of 52. And now we will do simplification. So 1 upon 4 is the answer. Let's move to another part. Probability of getting not a club. Okay, now the question is, we have to select a card which is other than club. Okay, that means we can take card from heart. We have 13 cards of heart, 13 cards of spade, 13 card of diamond, but we cannot include any card from club. Now we have these 3 choices. So our total number of cards is equals to 13 plus 13 plus 13, that is 39. So in this case we have 39 favorable cases out of 52, and the final value is 3 upon 4. Now the last one is the probability of getting an honor card. Okay, now honor card, what does it mean? There are 5 cards like 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace, and these cards are known as honor card. So in one suit we have 5 honor cards, and total we have 4 suits, and those 4 suits are club, spade, diamond and the last one heart. So there are 5 honor card in one suit, so total we have 4 suits, so 20 honored card. That means number of favorable cases are 20. So probability of this event is equals to 20 divided by 52. And now we will do simplification. So 5 by 13 is the final answer. Now we will move to our next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2 is, from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn will be Jack or Queen. So we are doing first part here. We have 4 cards of Jack and 4 cards of Queen, and when we say use word or, that means you have to add them. So in this case we have total 8 favorable cases. Now the probability of this event is equals to 8 divided by 52. After simplification you can write 4 into 2 8 and then 4 into 13, so it's 2 upon 13. The next part is 5 of heart or diamond. Okay, now we have only one such card of heart and one such card from diamond, like 5 of heart and 5 for diamond, and when we are using word or, that means you have to add them. Now you have 2 as number of favorable cases, so probability of this event is equals to 2 divided by 52. So this will be 1 upon 26. You have to do simplification in all the questions. Now we will move to our third part. Well, third part is probability of getting ace and king. Okay, just think of a card which is both ace as well as king. We know that's not possible. A card cannot be both ace and king at the same time, so it's impossible. So in this case you can directly write probability of this event is equals to 0. Okay, now another question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Fourth part. Fourth part is a red and a king. That means we are looking for a card which is both red and king. So there are 2 such cards, king of heart and another one is king of diamond. So total you have 2 favorable outcomes. So in this case probability of this event is equals to 2 divided by 52, and that's 1 upon 26. Now the another one is, fifth part is a card, a red or a king. They are similar, but here we have used word and here we are using or. Or means we have to add them. Okay, now we know total we have 26 red cards and 4 king, but we have already included 2 king in this, which is king of heart and king of diamond. So we cannot count these 2 cards twice, so we'll subtract 2 from here, so we'll get 24. So now in this case we have 24 plus 4, that is 28 favorable outcomes. So the probability will be equals to, probability of this event is equals to 28 divided by 52, and that comes out to be 7 divided by 13. So that's the final answer. Question number 3. From a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn will be. First part is an ace card of diamond. Okay, we will solve the first part. Question number 3, first part. An ace of diamond. We know we have only one such card, so the probability of this event is 1 upon 52. Now the second question is a queen or a face card. Okay, I'm just writing the question first. A queen or a face card. We know total we have 4 cards of queen, and whenever we use word or, that means you have to add them, and face cards 12. But in face cards also we are including 4 queens, so we have to subtract 4 from this side. So total number of cards is equals to 12. So we have 12 favorable outcomes. So the probability of this event is equals to 12 divided by 52, and we need to simplify that. So 3/13 is the final answer. Now we will move to next part. If we talk about any suit, the cards are in this form: A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q and K. Okay, now in this we are talking about a card with number either 5 or 6. Now in one suit we have 2 such cards, and total we have 4 such suits. So total number of favorable cases are 8. So probability of this event is equals to 8, and total number of possible outcomes 52. And after simplification you'll get 2/13 as a final answer. Now another part is a card with number less than 8. Okay, now we are looking for a card which has number less than 8. Less than 8 means that you have to include 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So these are all number cards who are less than 8. So in one suit we have 6 such cards, and total we have 4 suits, so 24 cards. Now the probability of this event is equals to 24 divided by 52, and after simplification we'll get 6/13. Okay, now the another part, 5th part, is a card with number between 2 and 9. Okay, now we have to search a card which are between 2 and 9. Okay, these are the cards which are between 2 and 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 card in one suit, and in 4 suit total we have 24 cards. So in this case P of this event is equals to 24 number of favorable cases divided by 52, and that comes out to be 6 divided by 13. So that's the final answer. Now we will solve another question, that is question number 4. From a deck of 52 playing cards, all cards whose number are multiple of 3 are removed. A card is now drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a face card? And the second part is an even numbered red card. So in this question we have removed few cards. So basically we have 52 cards, out of which 26 cards are black, and out of 26 we have 13 cards of club and 13 cards of spade. And in 52 cards we have 26 cards of black color and 26 red colored card. Out of 26 red colored card we have 13 cards of heart and 13 cards of diamond. Now the cards are in this form. It will start from A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then Jack, Queen and King. Okay, from there we have removed all the cards who are multiple of 3. That means 3, 6 and 9 we have removed. Now in this case remaining cards are 10 cards of, we have 10 cards of club now, 10 cards of spade, 10 cards of heart and 10 cards of diamond, because we have removed 3 cards from all the suits, and in total we have only 20 black cards and 20 red cards. So from there we have 40 cards in total. Now let's start with the question. First part is probability of getting a face card, because we have not removed any of the face card. So this time also we have total 12 face card, but in this case total number of all possible outcome is equals to 40. So 12 upon 40 is the answer. We can simplify that, so 3 upon 10. Now second part is probability of getting an even numbered red card. Okay, even numbered red card. Okay, even number, it can be 2, 4. We cannot take 6 because we have already removed that card. It can be 8 or 10. So there are 4 cards in one suit, like 4 cards will be from heart and 4 cards will be from the diamond. So total we have 8 such cards. So probability in this case is 8 divided by 40. So 1 upon 5 is the final answer. Now we will solve another question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is, from the pack of 52 playing cards, the black face cards are removed. Now the cards are reshuffled and then a card is drawn from the remaining pack of cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is. In this question we have 4 sub parts, and initially we have removed a black face card. So let's start from the very beginning. Okay, total 52 cards, out of which 26 black cards, and then we have 13 cards of spade and 13 cards of club, and in this 26 red card, 13 cards of heart and 13 cards of diamond. We have removed jack, king and queen from spade and jack, king and queen from club. So after removing these 3 cards, now we have 10 spades and 10 club, and only 20 black cards are remaining. But there is no change in case of red card. So we have removed 6 cards, so we have to subtract 6 from here. Now you have total 46 cards. Now we can start with our question. First part is probability the card drawn is a black card. Okay, in this case you have only 20 black cards, so probability is equals to 20, and total number of all possible outcome is equals to 46. So 20 upon 46, you can simplify this, so this comes out to be 10 upon 23. The second part, probability of getting a king. Usually we have 4 king cards, but this time we have removed 2 king cards, so only 2 king cards are remaining. So this is 2 upon 46 and 1 upon 23 after simplification. Third part is probability that of getting an ace card. We have not removed any of ace cards, so this time also we have 4 ace cards and total number of cards are 46. We'll do simplification. So this comes out to be 2 divided by 23. Now the another question. Sorry, we don't have space, so I'm erasing. Now the fourth part is a spade card. Usually have 13 cards of spade, but we have removed these 3 cards, so now we have only 10 cards of spades. So probability in this case is equals to 10 divided by 46. After simplification, you will get 5 divided by 23.